Tamiria Rodrigues, born on September 2, 2001, in Brasília, Brazil, is not only a Brazilian fitness model but also a prominent social media influencer. 22 years old, Tamiria embarked on her journey as an influencer in August 2021, quickly gaining immense popularity for her engaging content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Her videos showcase dance trends, lip-sync challenges, and situational comedy, leading to her crossing the milestone of over 1 million followers on Instagram. Standing at 5 feet 6 inches and weighing 110 pounds, Tamiria is recognized for her mesmerizing brown eyes and gorgeous black hair. Her figure measurements are an impressive 3'4", 26", 3'4". Despite her rise to stardom with a net worth estimated at around $120,000 USD.